Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. I am your EVS teacher, Miss Chandni, and from today we will start revision for unit test first. Children, as you got notice about your unit test first, that is going to start from 24 of August 2020. So, now we will start with your revision of first chapter, that is My Family. But before starting the revision, I want to say you something. Children, I am very disappointed because many of you have not watched the video. I have seen the number of likes that was given by you. Only few students have watched. This is very important to all of you to watch all the videos because if you will not watch it properly, then you won't be able to write your answer in the examination. So, if you have not watched it yet, then watch all the videos. It will help you in the preparation of your examination. One more thing, children, you have to prepare not only your exercise which is given in your textbook, but also in between questions will be asked in your examination. So you have to prepare all your answer in between your chapter. And one more important thing, the formation of question will be changed in any form like true, false, fill in the blanks, match the following, short answer, etc. So prepare it well. Now we will start with the quick summary of this lesson. Children, as you already know that we often resemble our parents or family members because all of us receive traits or characteristics from our parents. Traits are distinct qualities that distinguish us from others. These can include hair color, tooth shape, foot size, muscle structure, and even likes and dislikes. Twins are children born together to the same mother. They can be identical or fraternal. Identical twins look exactly alike, while fraternal twins do not. Traits are of two types: acquired traits and inherited traits. Inherited traits are traits that are inherited from the parents and can be carried down to the next generation. Eye color, height, shape of the nose, dimples, and even blood groups are examples of inherited traits. Acquired traits are acquired by people during their lifetime. These traits refer to our behavior, likes, dislikes, and values. Children, as you already know that every community is made up of people who have different needs. They are called differently abled people. Differently abled people are different from us. They may not be able to do all the things that we can do, but they can do many other things that we cannot. These are people who cannot see, speak, or hear properly, and even those who cannot move freely on their own. These people need help to do these things. Some cannot write properly or they have difficulty in spelling words, reading, or doing mathematical calculations. So, we should be sensitive towards differently abled people. Braille. Braille was invented by Louis Braille. It is read by moving the hands from left to right along each line, usually by using the first finger of both hands. So, this was the quick summary of this lesson. Now we will start the revision work. Let's have a look. Children, you have already done match the following in your textbook. Now please match your answer and see how many correct answer you have done. First, hair color. Hair color, it will match with inherited traits. Second, born together. It will match with twins. Third, likes and dislikes. It will match with acquired traits. Fourth, eating habits. It will match with family traditions. Fifth, skills. It will match with make us unique. So, if there is any wrong answer, please correct in your textbook. Now, there is a sample paper which I am going to give you right now. So, children, take a rough copy and pencil and write the answer in your good handwriting. And if any diagram is there, draw and level it properly. And then you will match the answer from your textbook and notebook and see how many correct answers you have done. Now let's begin the sample paper, that is revision 1. First, A, fill in the blanks. First question is that in a dash, in the place of dash, you will write your answer. In a dash country like India, comma, we get different kinds of food in different places. Second, older people who cannot hear well, comma, tend to speak dash. Third, eating habits are mainly influenced by dash and dash. B, one word answer. Children, you have to write your answer in one word. First, it was invented by Louis Braille. Second, he was the first person to study inherited traits. Third, the people who different from us are called. C. Answer these questions in short. First question, what is a braille? Second, what are acquired traits? Third, write any one difference between inherited traits and acquired traits. D. Answer these questions in detail. First question, write a short note on A. Helen Keller, B. Differently abled people. Second question is that how do our family members influence our likes and dislikes? And the last question is that identify the pictures. Children, you have to learn all the pictures. So, children, read the chapter thoroughly and learn each and everything from book and notebook. That's all for today. See you soon with the revision 2. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you, children.